How to create an album on Facebook. Here's how. First, open the Facebook app on your screen. Once the app is open, tap on your profile icon at the top of the screen. Scroll down a little on your profile page and you will see the Photos section. Tap on it to see all your photos and albums. Next, select albums to go straight to your existing albums or start a new one. Then click on the Create Album at the top left of the screen. Start by giving it a name. You can also add a description, location, and date to give it a more context. Before you finalize, you can adjust the privacy settings to control who sees the album by clicking on the option right below the name. If you want it to be private, just choose Only Me or select Public depending on who you want to share with. Furthermore, tap the Create option. Now it's time to fill up your album. Tap on the Add Photos or Videos at the top. Choose the picture or a video from your phone that you want to add to the album and hit the Next button, and finally hit on the Post option. Once you have added everything, it will be now live on your Facebook profile. That's it.